the way we interact with our technology hasn't really changed in 60 years. Welcome, Kai. A revolutionary controller that will redefine the way you work and play. Switching your slides is now a joyride. And exploring your timeline on Premiere Pro that fluid. And playing with SolidWorks is an absolute delight. The Kai is your magic wand. It becomes what you want it to. A steering wheel of fury. Check. A sword of destruction. Check. An accessory of fashion. Double check. The potential is limitless. The Kai isn't looking to take away your keyboard or your mouse. It's meant to tie in the gestural experience with them. So using the Kai while typing or pointing is a breeze. The Kai comes with an adjustable and customizable strap. It's extremely accurate with a 10 millisecond latency and an entire workday of battery life. Kai comes built in with BLE connectivity too. And that means the Kai isn't just limited to computers. We've taught the Kai to do things like home automation and virtual reality control, and even controlling drones in the near future. Our young and passionate team has worked on over 22 iterations, and we are ready to take the Kai for large-scale manufacturing.
We are 100% ready to go for manufacturing, and your contribution will help us get there. If you love the Kai, please do contribute and help us make a revolution in digital interaction.